Ladies and gentlemen, we are in the presence of greatness here at BT Golf 2526 in Gurugram. With me is,
Amita Jalta.
ma'am, what do you do?
I'm a jewelry designer, a freelance jewelry designer. I design for my own clients and a hardcore golfer.
Okay. And along with that, she's also a player who has made a hole in one 6 times in her career already, and I'm sure there are many more about to come.
Yeah, definitely. I can say that lucky is a luck also, but it's a skill also. You can't play this game without skill. Skill you learn with the experience, with the games, with the time. But technique is very important first. Then skill automatically comes with you.
Ma'am, please tell us a little bit about how you got started with golf and what motivates you to play golf today.
How I started, I would like to call somebody, one of a very close friend of mine. Her husband was a very top guy in some multinational company. He wanted to teach his wife golf, and she wasn't ready for that. And every time they said that we were not having a good time Saturday and Sundays because I'm going for a golf for 5 hours or 6 hours, and I'm just planning her to learn, and she wasn't ready for that. He told me that I picked up with my own matlab ke liye. I picked up best of her two friends, me and other friend, and he taught us the golf. The way the one his wife, he also saw us learning, and she also picked up the game, and she is also one of the best pair of Delhi NCR, like me. We have a team of golfers, lady golfers, who leads, yeah, that way.
So, ma'am, what is the one thing you want to tell anyone who's just beginning golf, who's entering golf, man, women, especially the youngsters who want to start golf and maybe, achieve something as great as you have?
You know what? I really promote women's in Delhi NCR all in my own Kutub Golf Course also. I'm a member of Kutub Golf Course. I take a lead always. I teach women also and go with them on the golf course to if they need any kind of a help from me. I just promote them, and I really want, because this is a very organized and very disciplined game, and technique is one of the best, the first part of this game. Second, when you learn the technique, then you start learning that how many skills you have inside you. Especially, I tell women are supposed to be multitasking. This game will show them more than what multitasking we do at our place or at our workplace and the home also. But the skill, kind of a skills we all have inside, this game gives you that chance to take out.
Wonderful, ma'am. Before I leave you, one last question. You've hit 6 hole-in-ones, and you've said there's a bit of skill involved as well. What is that one skill or one hack that you would, suggest a lot of other players here that they should try so that they can also hit a hole-in-one?
No, basically everybody try to hit the shot nearest to the hole. Everyone, the good golfer, he will always like to attack on the hole. Then come the luck that day. The luck is, that's what I'm saying, it's a luck also. Everybody try, the good golfer will try to hit the shot, either he get the hole in one or he'll get the nearest to the point of that hole. So the second part comes the luck. What I was saying is a skill, but it's a luck also. Everybody tries for that, but luck is luck.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, and congratulations once again, ma'am. Thank you.